Hi guys, I'm back. I'm really sorry that I first of all did not do a video or a live stream yesterday, but some things just added up that prevented me from doing a video. I had a lot of meetings, a lot of calls to take, and then the last meeting that I had just went so long on that I was not able to do a video for you guys. But I promise you, from now on you will get your daily dose of crypto and Bitcoin updates here. So, and I definitely don't want to wait here any longer. Let's get here directly into the chart. Here on the Bitcoin daily chart, we don't want to forget that we are still trading here according to this falling wedge pattern. So, and we have broken out here already 4 days ago out of this pattern. But what is missing is here a significant move here to the upside. So, and now obviously the question is, will we actually see this move here to the upside, or will we see further downwards movement back to this downwards trending support line? So, but I want to show you now something exactly in which direction we are going, most likely according what I see here in the charts. So, and if you are now the first time on my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important Bitcoin updates. So for this, I will go here into the 4-hourly chart. So, and here on the 4-hourly chart, what we can see is that we are also trading here in a downwards broadening wedge, and we are really close here to the breakout out of this. So, and that is actually what I'm anticipating right now, and that we get here a breakout to the upside. And why I am thinking that this is the most likely scenario is that here on the stochastic RSI, we are flatlining for quite a while already here on the bottom. So, and now let me show you what happens when we are flatlining on the bottom. Let me go here all the way back down so that you clearly understand what is happening when we are flatlining on the bottom. So look here, we are flatlining here on the bottom, but look what the Bitcoin price did after we started to move here up again. So the price went on a crazy run here to the upside. Now here again flatlining. So here this whole period where we came down. So when we start moving up again, price also moved up again. Then here flatlining on the way down. Then here move to the upside, move to the upside. And now we are flatlining here again. So we should see here a massive move to the upside, at least to $62,000 in my opinion. So a lot of people were thinking that kind of here was a diamond pattern. So it should have looked something like this. So, and then it broke down now. So, but I think everyone that saw this pattern got it wrong. So let me show you why. So first of all, let's make this line thicker. Oh. So I believe if there is a diamond pattern that looks more or less like this. Oh. So now look at this. Does that not look much more accurate than the other one that everybody else was drawing? So in my opinion, that looks here much more accurate for a diamond pattern. So, and then we should not forget that how we measure the diamond pattern. So something like this. That should be more or less, yeah, there you see, there we go. So now we should not forget that the diamond pattern usually should break to the downside. So there is a 55% chance that's actually breaking to the downside and 45% to the upside. So if we would break down all of this diamond pattern, then we would get here all the way down to $54,500 approximately. But, and here comes my but, I believe with all the confluence in the chart that we're actually breaking to the upside. And then the diamond pattern has a target here of $60,300 more or less. So, and that would also put us above this resistance zone once again. So, and then Bitcoin has room to breathe, to move here into higher levels once again. So, and now the confluence that I'm talking about is that the target for the broadening wedge is the top of the broadening wedge from where we started, which is at $61,380 approximately. And also the falling wedge here, the big falling wedge, has a technical target of $69,400. So there are a lot of patterns lining up that actually points to that we should get here a strong move to the upside, and that would also then support that this diamond pattern would also break to the upside. So this would be now only invalidated if we would here now fall out of this diamond pattern to the downside, so and start breaking down. But like I said, I don't believe that this is the most likely outcome. I believe the most likely outcome is that we are going here higher and breaking here then also out of the diamond pattern to the upside, breaking then at the same time also out of the downwards broadening wedge, and solidify also the move here that we had already outside the falling wedge here also to the upside. So, and I'm actually preparing right now a new trade. So once we are seeing a break out of this broadening wedge here, so which would be around $57,100, yeah, $57,100, then I will on Bybit. So I have already my Bitcoins here ready. So once we are getting here over $57,100, I will open a 25x leverage position to ride this to the upside, and I still have my leverage position here on Phemex. So obviously it's right now here minus 20%, but because I anticipate here by today or tomorrow a move here to the upside, I obviously leave this trade open, and because this trade will be then once again in heavy profit. So obviously if you also want to take this trade call, then you can go to Bybit or to Phemex. Both links are in the pinned comment below. There are still bonuses available, so you should definitely take advantage of that. But now let's also talk about Cardano. I know a lot of you guys have asked me about Cardano for quite a while now, and I did not talk about it for quite a while because there was not much happening. So Cardano is still technically here in a downtrend, so nothing has changed here. So and to break this downtrend, Cardano has technically to break here this line. Only then this would change. So let me see here to get you better touch points. Yeah, so here this line has to be broken, that this would actually change. So here let me show you why. So you see we have here a touch point, we have there a touch point. So we have here touch points where we try to break out. Here we had a fake out. Then here again a touch point, here also a touch point. So since September we were not able to break this downwards trend here. So but I can tell you, once we do, we will see here a massive move also to the upside in Cardano. So and here this could be maybe, just maybe, it could be the first half of a bigger W pattern. So if now here we are Wing out like this, then we are also most likely seeing then a break above this line, and then we will see here, like I said, a massive move, I believe around to $2.50 at least, to the upside to test this resistance area once again on Cardano. So here by the break of this trend line or along this trend line, once we are breaking above this, because I think then we will see here some fireworks in Cardano. Then let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum was also trading here in this falling wedge and broke out of it. It is now above crucial resistance, above the $4,400 area all the way down here, and also the $4,562 area. So which is also now for now holding support. So and you can see here there it was support, here it was support, there it broke support, here again support broke it, at the same time here also support broke it, here it was resistance. So now we broke this resistance again, and for now it is holding as support. So this is also now a key level to hold for the Ethereum bulls. And here the technical target is also still all the way up at $4,811 for this falling wedge. So and I reckon once Bitcoin makes its move here to the upside on the 4-hourly chart, we will see the same here in Ethereum. And yeah, most likely when Bitcoin goes in over $60,000 once again, it could be that Ethereum will be close to the $5,000 price target that we are waiting so long already for. So then let's also have a look in Solana. In Solana, we see that we have here, so let me see if I go to 12-hourly chart. So here on a 12-hourly chart, you see it much, much better. So here we have a massive W pattern. So and Cardano yeah, is testing right now the neckline of this W pattern. So and if we break this neckline, then Cardano has a technical target all the way up here to $282.90 approximately. So that is a massive trade that we can take here on Bybit or on Phemex. So here 21.9%. So that with a 10x leverage, that's over 220% that you can bank here on this on this breakout pattern. So here definitely wait for the break above this neckline here. So once we are having a 4-hourly candle closed above this neckline here, I would like to see a candle at least like this. So let me zoom in here. So at least a candle like this above the neckline. And then I would enter this. So I would not enter this here on something small. Yeah, just something smaller, you know, here something like this. That would be not something where I would get into. So I want to see here a massive candle breaking above the neckline, and you should also look at the volume, that this move is volume supported. So here right now you can actually see that the volume is gradually declining, so which is normally a good sign that yeah, a bigger move is here actually looming. So but obviously just based on volume, you don't know if it's a bigger move to the downside or a bigger move to the upside. So but yeah, just let's wait and see in which direction this is going. But like I said, if we are breaking the neckline, then yeah, Solana is in for a massive move here to the upside into new all-time highs. Then also let's have a quick look in the Bitcoin dominance. So guys, remember I had told you already all the way back here, so we were here when I talked about this, that I believe that we will see a break of the 40.89% level. So we broke it here already once in September, so but then got a bounce and moved here back up. So but now since we fell out of this rising channel here, or rising wedge to the downside, also exactly as I had told you guys that this is going to happen, now we are really close again to the 40.89% level. We're getting closer and closer, and guys, don't forget, once we are getting closer here and we break it convincingly with a big red candle to the downside, that is when the main part of the altcoin season is starting, and you definitely want to be heavily invested in altcoins at this moment. So if you're not 100% with your money that you have aside for altcoins invested, that is the moment when you want to get in, when you see that we get closer to 48.9% and actually breaking it to the downside and having a daily close under that line. That is the moment where you want to put all your money that you have available for altcoins into altcoins to take advantage of the massive run that is coming, because I'm pretty sure that once we're breaking this line, we go all the way down here to 35.32%. So and this 5% move or this 5% drop in the Bitcoin dominance, that will be a massive run in altcoins. So definitely you should pay attention to this. So guys, that's already the end for the video. Please tune in once more tomorrow and let me know in the pinned comment below which altcoins you are actually want to buy at the break here. Let me know in the pin comment below. I'm curious what coins you're actually picking for this upcoming altcoin run. So other than that, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, activate the notification bell so that you will never miss these important Bitcoin updates and crypto updates. And if you haven't seen my video yet, how to make $100 a day pretty easy, then also check out the video over here, and you know the drill. I will see you once more tomorrow.